This is a funny video, as you will hear, but it shows me converting a cooktop from natural gas to propane in a big house. This is a pretty interesting call because the son-in-law converted this cooktop from natural gas to propane, and he didn't do it. He didn't do it correctly because the flame is yellow and a foot high. So whatever he didn't do right. So I have to correct it by converting it to propane properly. First, I find this humorous. Look at the flame coming out of that burner. This is what happens when you have a cooktop installed on propane that's set up for natural gas. Now watch this big burner. It's really funny, isn't it? And what is even memorable about the call is I told the homeowner, the husband, that it needed to be converted. And he said it had already been converted. And I said, well, whoever did it didn't do it right. And he said, well, my son-in-law did it, and he's a jackass. So here I am converting it properly, which is a little bit of a tricky job, as you'll see, but it's not all that bad.
With taxes and everything, $289. Yep, perfect, and I'll text it to you right now. See if he knows her, and then, I mean, I don't know who makes it. I don't want to set anything like that.
You see, what I'm doing is lining up the orifices by size. The 12,000 BTU, the 9, the 7. I'm putting them right next to the burners that they match so that I don't mix them up and put them in the wrong place. Now you can actually see the orifice that has to be taken out and new one put in there. A little brass bolt with the hole in the middle. That's the orifice.
Oh yeah. I don't know what Rick was telling me. He says there's an opportunity for anybody to do that, and he said, I kind of said, well, I don't have, $50,000 to dump into the investment in the company, Rick, at this point in time, and so that's the number I threw out of him. He didn't flinch. He didn't say no. He didn't say, well, it's 5 times that much. So there was no. I threw that number out just to see what the barometer was, and that number. So I have no idea. Yeah, so again, that was just a number I threw out. I got no reaction to it whatsoever.
All right, it does confirm.
Who knows? Who knows, and who, that, I know who's.
Yep.
Always.
That's the big guy. That's the medium. That's the smallest. That's next. Okay.